All right, day trader, we are back again. We are back. Um, I was just trying to get some stuff together here. Let me put this to the side, and I'm just checking. I have to change my thumbnail on here, so I literally have to watch a bunch of YouTube videos to operate these things. So please bear with me, okay? And let's figure this out together. Um, let's go here. Let's go to live. This is it. I always said 24 minutes ago. I was live 24 minutes ago. Yeah, yeah, wait a minute. They're funny. All right, so I'm just trying to get my stuff on here. I'm trying to edit this video and make sure that the thumbnail is added on there, right? So let's do thumbnail. And let's go grab, boom, this. Just once. Gallery, just once. Yeah, that's what I said though. All right, there we go. That is added on there. Let's save it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, there we go. Awesome. Good morning, guys. Good morning. If you are just joining our live, welcome and thank you for joining. I'll leave a comment in the section below and let me know who's here, who's watching. I appreciate you for hanging out. We are going to be trading this morning. So we have good news and we have bad news. What should we start with first? All right, let's start with the bad news first. Bad news is I did not fully follow my rules, so therefore I broke mine. I blew my account. Let me refresh this as you see. I blew my oh, you know what? I can actually reset it because I got one payout. Oh, oh no, not this one. Oh, that has to be at the end of the day, I believe. I think I can reset it. I think I can reset it. But yeah, so I blew my account. I was trading on my phone and I was not supposed to do it. Once again, um, it's terrible when we don't follow our rules. Like I always say, we do get kicked in the ass if we don't follow our when we don't follow our rules, not if when we don't follow our rules. So I'm gonna so that's the bad news that we blew our account. We had $6,000 in there. All we had to do was to trade 3 more days. But for some reason, my brain did not like that. And so therefore we found ourselves um over here. And it's terrible. So I want to get out of these. I don't want you guys to see my oh, that's the Discord. I'm gonna just check in the Discord real quick. So sometimes your bank declines it as a suspicious. Check if they email or text you. Nobody email or text me. Usually I will um usually my bank does, but I am not getting any texts from them. I'm trying to purchase some more accounts here, but this is not for some reason my bank is declining it. So let's go back here. Yeah, so whoever's watching, let me know in the comment below, man. Let me know who's here. Let me recognize you. Um, well, let me know who's watching. And yep, welcome in here. So yeah, I'm trying to purchase some more account, but let me show you. Let me just log into this real quick. Um, and I will show you. I don't have any of my personal information on here, so I just got to double check and make sure first. All right. No, let's leave that. So let me show you right here. This is the good news. Bad news is we have 6,000 that we have made 4K more by the end of the week. However, I didn't follow my plan. I traded on my phone without stop loss, and I literally got caught in the chop last night. A market open where the market will go up, I will sell. I demand the market will go up, and then I will sell, and then I will buy at the top, and then it was just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Um, and I got up this morning with, I don't know, about $2,000 in my account, and I was like, okay, I gotta make my money back, and then boom, I blew it. So, the first time it happened yesterday, I didn't learn from it, obviously, and today again. So it is what it is. We got to keep going. We got to learn from our mistakes, and we got to keep moving. It is what it is. So let's go. But good news, we yeah. So good news is that we were able to get these accounts right here. So we got 17 50K accounts, 17 50K accounts, and that's gonna cost about another 1,200 plus. Yesterday we already spent about 1,000 plus yesterday, and then today another 20, another 1,200. It's crazy, but it is what it is. We have to do what we got to do. So if you see me kind of quiet a little bit, I'll be purchasing these accounts. So just leave a comment, say something, and let's have a chat. But other than that, I think the market is good. We are going to be trying to definitely make some money from the market today. Hopefully, I'm trying to get some help from this Discord. Yeah, they say yes, you need to sign your PA agreement. Did you do that? No, but where? Where do I find that though? No, but where do I find that? I think they might have moved it somewhere else. Um, so yeah, we are just trying to get in a Discord here and ask one of these guys. Let's see. Come on. Oh, you know what? I think this account details, account history, PA, active PA. We don't have active PA at pass eval. What do I go to sign? I don't see sign. I know where it used to be, but um okay, these are the accounts. This is the status and this is the product. It's a purchase. Where do I go to purchase it? So if I download my certificate, and guys, this is what the certificate looks like. It's kind of nice though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so I passed all my accounts, all the seven. So I got 17 certificates. It's a lot of certificates, but I'm not gonna download all that stuff. No, come on, bro. Okay, let's get rid of that, and let's see if these guys are gonna get back to us on Discord. I hope someone does. Okay, it's just a checkbox. I did get the payment. did get to payment. I did check boxes and got to payment. But my card keeps declining. Yeah, so I don't know. I can try one more time, but for some reason this is not going through. So let me know what you think about the audio. So let me pause it here. I should listen to it and make sure. All right, I think I got so we got our music back. Gotta lower this. We need something. Bro, I saw that already. You said that. All right, I'll wait a few hours. But let's see. So I guess I just have to wait here a few hours for this thing to work. We might come back later on. Yep, blew these accounts. It's crazy. I think I had the same thing happening to another one of my cards yesterday. It will work when I purchased other prop firms, but it would not work when I purchased a specific, which was the same Apex Trader funding. So we're gonna go on here and try to see what we can do. So let's hop this bad boy up on here. Yeah, market keeps dumping. We don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, maybe that glitch is actually trying to save us from a big loss. Because the target or the goal for this month is to make 70K, right? And I think that account I had was actually it was kind of good. I should have kept that, but again, shit happens. We don't follow our rules, and shit happens in the market. It is what it is. I want to refresh this and then try to keep doing it again. So I'll purchase. Right, this took me directly to the PA though. That's the thing. Let me ask here. So thanks for helping. When All right, click the purchase. I hope it's not, wait, it's saying decline. So if it's fucking taking money from me, that would not be good. Thanks for helping, but when I click the purchase, it takes me directly to the payment option. So let's try this bad boy again. Come on. Okay, so we got there. Everything's checked. Subscribe and pay. Why I keep saying that though? Oh my goodness, this is frustrating me. Let's get back on here. See if we can make money. I'm kind of being biased with the sell here now because I mean this just keeps selling. What the All right, I'm gonna call a bank and call my bank.
Welcome to
Oh no, I mean.
Para español, presión.
Hey, how you doing? Sorry, I'm trying to purchase my account here, so I'm kind of off and on the bank. I'm purchasing my account, or I'm trying to purchase my account, but Hey, how you doing? We just got one viewer. This shit is glitching. What the fuck is going on? All right. Thanks for joining the stream. Who's there? Say something in the comment. Let me know who's there. I am having trouble activating my account here. So I'm going to go here and try to see if I can purchase one account using a different card. This is crazy. So I'm looking this way because I got my personal information on the other screen. That's why I can't look your way. I hope this goes through because why though? I think I need to submit a ticket. I'm not sure what's going on, but I think I need to submit a ticket. Or I might just purchase my accounts later on. And you know what? I'm going to buy one account from these other guys. And this is how they want to do it. Let's go to Top Step. Maybe we can get our, should we do Top? Yeah, let's do Top Step. Let me reset this account. Let's do this hard. I think we can make this money. Let's go. All right, this is crazy. The card is working on the other platform, but for some reason it's not working on this platform. These guys got too much problem. Too much problem. All right, so fuck it, we're about to trade this other account then. What the fuck? All right, so let's see what's going on here. All right, so we just got trading restrictions have been placed on gold, silver, and whatever else those symbols are. The limits have been decreased to 5, 10, and 15 contracts. Oh, this guy been getting killed. But anyway, we just purchased another account here since the other one is not working, and we're gonna try to see if we can find some trades. We are on this 4-hour time frame here. Let's drop it down to 1 hour. So we're all on the 1 hour time frame. I think we just gotta be patient in this. Let me see. Let me go back to my Discord because I'm trying to see if these guys can help. And man, I passed 5 Apex Eval yesterday, and they don't appear inactive for pass. I don't know if there's an issue right now. Yeah, but I think there's an issue. Somebody said VWAP is typing. Okay. So, but anyway, let's head back on here. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. I'll lift this up a little bit more. All right, here we are. We see that NQ is still making a dive. I don't like these line on my I'm gonna take these line off. Just get rid of them. Let's get rid of them. See, that's another thing. That's another reason why I like Trader Vase, because he can just hover over that line and then just delete. Hover and delete. So we got to be very careful. We're on a 4-hour time frame. We got to be very careful down here. Oh man, I think I need a little bit more space. Let me close this up a little bit more. Yeah, that should be enough. And Maybe this can go a little bit more, maybe not. All right, probably not. So we'll just analyze the trade here, but we all in a 4-hour time frame, and the market is basically out of demand zone. So if we draw this line, right here, the market's out of demand. So it'd be possible to want to buy in hopes that the market is going to go up. But at the same time, looking at with the kind of momentum the market came with from, especially from yesterday to today, this is too strong, and we are barely getting a pullback. So we probably don't want to be in that area and just trying to buy. We see the market keep continuously coming down there forcefully in that demand zone. So we might as well either just wait on our hands, sit on our hands, since we already blew our funded account. We might sit on our hands and watch this market and see what it does. If anything, we might be scalping a little bit. Yeah, but we're gonna sit on our hand. We'll find an opportunity sometime today to jump in the market. If not, we don't have to take any trades, but we are gonna be on here trying to make some profit. I'm actually hot. I'm gonna take my shirt off. So let's take the shirt off. A sweater already. Nice. All right. Let me show come on stage. Yeah, so all we can really do right now is just sit up in here and watch the market does exactly what it needs to do, which is play it around and then eventually rip. It plays around and then it rips. And especially with the account that I blew, one of the things I started to think about more is like, I mean, it still boils down to risk management and risk to reward, right? So it's like if I'm making $100, I don't want to be risking $100 or $200, right? To make that money. But instead, you want to be shooting for, I mean, it really depends. For me, I would like to take at least 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that way on days that you're going to be losing, you are not losing your entire account or a quarter of the account, right? You want to be losing a fraction of it, so you have the time, or you have more capital to go back in the market the next day, right? So we gotta be able to, I have to be able to, yeah, this market keeps going down there. Stick with my rule in risk management. Yeah, I think I'm gonna submit a ticket with Apex Trader Funding and ask them what is going on. Now I should have called my bank, but nobody's answering. These guys are just not being cool. I see someone watching. Say something, guys. Let us know who's watching. Whoa, see? That keeps dumping. This is going a daily time frame. Are you kidding me? This was all the way up here. That's about a . 150, $200 move. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Let us know who's watching. Another way you can support the channel is by subscribing, so that way when we go live or when we post a new video, you can see them. But oh, actually another thing is that, so the payout I was talking about, even though we blew these accounts, I'll refresh that. But most importantly, we got our payout. Our payout. I woke up this morning. I don't know what time. Let me see. I don't know what time that money came. Let me see what time the deposit was made. Let me go back here. Yeah, it said 2, 3. Doesn't show the exact time, but we got our payout, and that's what matters. And today is the 4th. Yep. So that means I got my payout last night before midnight. And that's it right there. Top step. So that's important. As long as we're getting paid, eventually we might, like, the more payout we get, we might get into sim farming, or we buy a bunch of accounts, try to see how much we can pass and try to see how much we can get profit out of. And once we get that profit, you just flip, rinse, and repeat. In real estate, that's what they call the BRRRR method. You buy, you rehabilitate, you rent, I think you refinance, and then you just keep rolling. It keeps going. We got 2 people watching. Let us know who you are and where you're watching from. If you're a day trader, what are you what instruments are you trading? What market? What product are you trading? Are you trading gold? Are you trading crude oil? I usually trade crude oil, but crude oil lately they've been kind of slow for me. So I kind of I never traded silver before. I've already got into silver. Silver started moving lately, so I really haven't got into silver yet. So, but usually I trade NASDAQ, crude oil, and gold. Right up here. Oh my goodness, this market keeps dumping. Then we're going to get in the water. We'll go test it and see what happens. So we are in our first trade. We are going to be risking this is $700 on this trade. We're gonna risk $700 on this trade, and we'll see how much we can make from it. Just delete that. Do we think that the market is going to keep dumping, or we think it's going to make a pullback? We see that it's still dumping. All right, we just got in that trade, and we are up at $500. All right, I think we just made $600 on that trade. That was beautiful right there. Like I said because the market is in a demand zone, I'm really not going to be doing too much down there, right? If you see right here, the market been bouncing off this level 3 times. This happened out of nowhere at first, but 1, 2, 3, and it looks like it's still pushing down there. And because we are not the big shark, we can't really be sitting in there and trying to help decide what direction the market goes in, right? Because we'll get kicked out in a blink of an eye. So all we can do, jump in as scout, take some money, and then we call it a day. Get out. A 5-minute candle, keep dumping. Keeps dumping. So just like that, I don't know how long was that trade. Probably, if we see the stock, so I'm there. 1 minute 2 seconds, right here. 1 minute 2 seconds. And we made $592. We'll keep doing that. So we'll go back to the chart here. Let me ask him on Discord here and see. This is not the Discord. Are these guys gonna help me? Okay, so I'm not, maybe I should go back in here and ask the same questions, but in a different Discord. All right, Verizon, man, took the payment. It's like once you get, man, this person made, it's about 40K. Ooh, that's some beast money right there. Lots of money. Let's see, notice board and make your good afternoon, traders. We are aware of the trade of the conduct and restrictions, and we are working diligently to obtain clarity and correct information. We are finalizing those discussions and will provide additional announcement once completed. All right, we don't know what that is, but I'm trying. So the goal here is to be able to get payout, some more payout, and purchase account with these guys. So we got Tradify, Lucid. We're definitely going to get payout with them, and then we also have my funded futures. So we're trading, we're moving. Ooh. Come on. All right, so if we had held that trade, we would have been up like real good by this time. I think we're like somewhere here. That's about 40, 80. It's about $1,600. We would have been up by 1,600. But hey, we don't know, right? We get what we get, and then we get out. That's how we roll. All right, so I go no, so this is on photo. Let's get rid of this. Okay, let's bring this back on here. Let's go. Let's open this. All right, let's wrap it up here. This market keep dumping, man. We're gonna get another trade again. We either Gonna make that money. Oh, we are gonna see what happens. Are we gonna get a pop up here, or what's gonna happen? Yeah, I'm gonna close that trade and just wait and just get out of it here. See someone watching, sis. Let us know where you're watching from and what's going on. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. If you are trading, I hope you are making money. This is 1 hour time frame, and I started trading this morning at 6 something. I literally saw my account blue. I literally got long here, expecting the market to fill this gap, and that thing just kept going down and down and down. 1, 2, 3. That's 400 points move to the downside since this morning. If only hindsight 2020. I have known I just go in full port 5 contract all the way to the downside, all the way. The goal still remains the same. 2026 February, the goal is to make $70,000. $70,000. $70,000. We'll see. You got to think. If you can think it, you can hold it. So let's see if we can think it and hold it and work with it. We're not just going to think it and sit down, but we're going to think it and make the plans that we already have and work towards it. And I think a part of that was passing those 17 accounts yesterday that I did. Okay, this is Trader 8. Come on, Top Step. Discord, nobody's answering me. All right, I'm going to resolve this issue later on. You know what? I'm going to call my bank because they're not being cool with me. I want to know why. I don't know why I did not let me purchase these accounts. So I just mute myself a little bit. These fucking bangs, they fuck. I'm trying to call them and they got this fucking AI on the phone and just saying all type of shit. I just want to speak to someone so they can fucking open my card. Anyway, don't mind me, guys. I'm just fucking, because I got money on it. I'm trying to activate my accounts. Maybe that's, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna blow it or some shit. So I shouldn't be heard about it. Oh, we got a second person in there. So let us know, where you are you a day trader? Do you trade? What do you do? So we are going to go in here to contract and we are going to sell. So we just got in that trade, 2 contracts. We sold. So we're going to have our, if you see right up here is where I have my open P&L right here. So we just got in that trade and we are up by $700-800. I might scalp it. Let me get down here and see. Let's see how much we can make on that trade. How much we can make? 1,200 now. Looks is about to still keep going down. 1,500. I'm out. I'm out. That was beautiful, man. I told you guys, because the market is out of demand, I'm only going to be scalping like less than a minute max. So we just got in that trade, 2 contracts. And let's see how long that trade lasted for. I think that was the longest one. Was it a minute? I think, yeah, just about a minute. But that was good. That was beautiful. That was a very short and nice trade. And we made about $1,500 on it. So total on the day, we are up $1,863.80. Our goal, hopefully we can get up to 4,500 and then tomorrow trade and pass the account. And I'll be exactly where I need to be. Because that account that we lost, man, it sucks. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks a lot. That was $6,000. I was hoping to withdraw $5,000 this weekend, but we just gotta learn from our mistake. We gotta keep going. We can't dwell on the same thing. The past is the past. We gotta live in the present and plan for the future. Um, so it is what it is. Let us know where you're watching from, what you're doing, what instrument you trade, if you're a day trader. What's been your most successful trade this year so far? I think my most successful trade this year was, I believe I shared that. Yep, I shared that on one of my short video. I was down by about, I think, 1,800. Actually, I was down total on a day, $2,900. And this was a funded account. It's the one I just got a $4,000 payout on. I was down by about, yeah, almost 3K, just 2,900. And with a single contract on NQ, at the end of the day, the market ripped. It just ripped. I think that was, let me see if I can find that trade. I might be able to find it somewhere here. So go back to the trading. Oh my goodness. Look, if we held that trade, woulda, shoulda. Look at that. Look at that. We got that right at the top. So over 2 minutes, we'll probably got that trade out of here, right here. And it's making a new low. Oh my goodness. It's making a new low. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? So thanks, boss. You the boss, man. You the boss, man. Thank you. Yeah, we're trying to recover from our account that we blew. And we also are trying to activate. Let me show. So we're also trying to activate these accounts that we passed. We passed 17 accounts yesterday. And I'm trying to purchase these accounts. So you see here, it says pass the status. All we got to do is purchase these and then just start trading in 17 accounts. And with Apex Trader Funding, that's one of the things I like about it is the leverage that it has. With these 17 accounts, say I was told the goal is to get them to pay out, or get them to pay out at least 2 payouts. And each of these, the max you can get on them is $2,000 per account. 17 account, about $34,000. That's the goal. As our overall goal is to make $70,000 in February. It's not impossible. I've seen a lot of people do it. They don't have gasoline as blood. They have the same blood we have. So if they can do it, so can we. So that's the kind of attitude we're going to engage it with, but with precision, and know exactly, okay, what we got to do, what we need to do in order to make this happen. We have the plan. I think I have the plan somewhere up here, if you can see. It's written down. That's another important thing. You got to be smart enough to write up your vision board. But then another thing is that you got to be smart enough to be able to read it every day and actually take actions when it comes to taking action with those things. But yeah, I'm trying to activate this account here, but my card, I have enough money on there. It keeps declining. I don't like that. I'm trying to call the bank, but it got me sitting on the phone with these AI girls saying stuff that I didn't even. Anyway, but I'm trying to see if I can connect these guys here and see what I can do. But the market, go back to the market here, guys. Yeah, bro. Thank you. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I was playing it yesterday. I think I purchased the first 4 accounts and I blew them because they had a 90% off sale. They still have it. It ends tonight. So I was trying to pass those accounts by the night, and I did. So that was pretty good. So now I just got to activate them and trade them. But the buffer on there is not that much. It's very small. It's like $2,500 each. So I have to really be very precise with my risk management. Yeah, and if you want to help the account, guys, you can go ahead and subscribe so you are notified when new content come out. And we all can do this together, man. We can make this money together. We can document our journey. We can be good. This is what gold is doing. Gold looks like it's bending. Let me see. Let me go in, tap the Discord here and ask about gold. So, quick question here. All right, let me see. Hey, can we trade GC Mini? I know what GC Micro is, MGC. I'm just, why? I wonder why not. That's crazy. They're not letting our trade go, guys. Okay, but let me go down here and see. Can really do better about editing this stuff, so I'll go back on here. All right, guys. So we see that the market, okay, now the market is getting all the way down to that demand. If we open the chart right here, I'll bring this, okay, and then this you can just hover over it and delete. Move this and delete. So we're shortening this triangle right here. I'll bring it back. Come on now. So this is tripping. Come on, bro. All right, we've been live for about an hour. I'm probably going to see what I can do here. I need to get productive with other stuff. We'll see the market here. This is the demand we're talking about. Previously, the market was in an upward action, and we see not out of nowhere, but out of here, it seemed like the buyers that were here, they took their order from down here and they placed it up just by some points, right? So right here is where the market is. This is a very strong demand zone. And this is why I'm kind of hesitant about going short in this area. So right here, right now, I think I'm gonna go short. Oh, actually, this is gold. I can't trade gold any. Let's go NQ. Let's see how well this does. But maybe in about 15 minutes, I'm going to end the stream, and we are going to try to get some work done outside the stream here. But yeah, so if we see on here, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is a huge demand zone. You know, we do not want to be playing around that area and trying to hold trades through that, right? My brain, right now, my brain is telling me to get in a trade. But I have to make sure that the trade is actually worth it. Why am I getting the trade? I just don't want to do it just because. I hope this is the right account, because if it's not, that would suck. That would definitely suck. Okay, it is the right account. Hey man, I appreciate you for hanging out today. I know you've been watching for for some time now. But I don't know who you are. I appreciate you though for hanging out. This is my second week, and this is my first time, well, second week, third week, or since I've been trading live. To have someone but stay on the live stream for this long amount of time. So I really appreciate it. I appreciate you for sure, bro, for hanging out. Even though you don't want to say who you are, it is what it is. We are making money together. Let me know, guys, what do you think about the quality of the stream? Because I feel like when I go on my phone to watch it, it's like blurry a little bit. I just wanted to make sure it was good and what I can do differently to make it better. Yep. So we're going to get into one more trade here. I don't know how much. Let me see. I shouldn't say I don't know how much we're going to be risking, but let's risk $600 on that trade. 640. So we're going to be risking 640 out of this trade goes against us. We'll be losing. I'm actually going to add one more contract to it. So now 2 contract. We don't want to lose $1,500. That would be too much. So anyway, we're just going to wait on here, and I'll be right back. I'm going to go brew myself some coffee. Hey, we are green. Let's go. Can our TP hit? Come on. Hit that TP, bro. Come on, let's hit a TP, bro. Can you hit our TP? Come on. Come down there. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Hit it. Come on, come on, come on. Hit it. Hit it. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. Get there. I can't stand that, bro. Oh. So we out. Yeah, we are out of that trade. And right here, this brings our balance up to $3,443 on the day. I just purchased this combine. This is an evaluation account, and I just bought it from Top Step. Yeah, so I just bought this account from Top Step, as you can see up here. These bottom 5 are not eligible for trading. So this tab here is the one I just renewed. It's the one that's eligible for trading. So I just made, and I'm supposed to make $9,000 to pass the account. So we are up on the day, $3,543. On the first day, I always like to push my account to $4,500. And the following day, if I can come and just push it up there to $9,000. And it's cool. If not, if it takes a few days to do it, it is what it is. I don't want to rush it again, like, you know, what happened and blow my account, but it is what it is. Oh, now it's coming back down to our TP. This is actually an expensive cup of coffee right here. And I'm gonna grab it. I should have made 1,800 bucks. Now it's gonna go to our TP, but hey, we are scalping. We are in scalper mode. We're not gonna wait. Oh, it's just falling right down there to it. So we're gonna see, yep, what this trade does. I was trying to go and make some trades on gold, but now our TP was gonna get hit, bro. It was literally gonna get hit. I wish I stayed long. Getting coffee. Look, look, look. There it is. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. But that's in hindsight. So how you say lots of money? Bro, I wish it was on my funded account that I just blew down. I would say yeah. I wish it was on my funded account. That was gonna be good, man. But I have to this is the evaluation account. I have to make $9,000 on this account to pass it. And then once I pass it on next week, then I can make a lot of money. And once I get this account to fund it to the funder stage, I'm gonna treat it like an eval, right? The first day, oh, my TP was gonna get hit, guys. Look at that right here. My TP was gonna get hit. Oh shoot. That was a perfect trade if I let it play out. See, a lot of times, right? The thing is, we actually get ourselves out of the trades. Like I just did. It was a perfect setup. My target was to make right around $2,200 or $2,400. If I just left the trade for 5 minutes more, I was gonna make more money. But I talked myself out of the trade, and now it went exactly where I anticipated the market to go. It doesn't always happen that way, but that's the reason why we have our bracket trade. So when it goes the way we wanted to go, it's actually good. Yeah, I'm glad, bro. You're doing well. But it was nice hanging out with you at the gym today for a little bit. Got that workout in. Consistency is hard, but hey, we got to keep going. We got to keep going when it's good. We got to keep going when it works out for us. We got to keep going. No matter what, especially when we are down, right? Especially when things are not going according to what we wanted to be. That's the best time to keep grinding, bro. We just got to keep grinding. Gotta keep learning. Oh, and the market is, ooh, jeez, Louise. All right, I think I'm going to call it here. But I appreciate all of you guys for hanging out in the chart on the stream. We are going to do this again tomorrow around 9. And we might stream in the afternoon. And the reason I say that is because since I'm a new YouTuber, this is the time that all these streamers, the actual big guys, this is the time that they all stream. So everybody else is on that stream. But afterwards, I know when I watch that stream and they are off, I'm on YouTube, like looking for other streams to join. So I think I'm going to start streaming in the afternoon or maybe the PM session. Market keeps dumping. Jeez. It keeps dumping. Oh my goodness. Negative 400 points on the day. Let me see, just yesterday and today, the market dropped. Also, total move, the market moved from 2,600 negative, from 2,600 all the way, the market moved by 1,000 points in 2 days. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, I don't know what's going on, but shit, whatever's going on, it's crazy. You got us in streamer mode. Let's go. Hey, someone's back again. Amen. We having a retention of two watcher. That's pretty good, man. I appreciate you guys for hanging out here all day, every day. We're gonna be streaming. We're gonna be trying to make money. And if you want to follow my journey, just hit that subscribe button and let's learn together. Let's make money together. Let's find a way to escape the matrix and get out of 9 to 5 and actually live life, because you know why? Life is very short. Here today, gone tomorrow. We gotta live it. Gotta find ways to actually allow us to leave our comfort zones. Go see other things, go do other things. Man, bro. I'm here giving motivational speech when I miss out on my freaking target. Talked myself out of money. I literally talked to myself out of money. It would have gotten smashed so hard. TP was getting smashed. hour 17 minutes. We might come back again this afternoon. I don't know. Should we? Should we not? We may. It wouldn't hurt to do so. Oh, actually, I gotta go wash my car. It's been really dirty, so it's like I don't know if I'm the only person with kids that as soon as my kids get in the car, they can eat whatever, just throw that stuff everywhere in the car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, if my accounts were funded or activated by this time, guess what? I would have been making some bread. Like serious bread. But nevertheless, we'll get it activated and we'll come back in the market tomorrow to trade them. If we can get, not if, when we get 2 payout from them, that's, ooh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good when we get 2 payout from them. Come on, you're gonna keep selling? I literally had to change my bias about this market, right? Like if you watch my previous stream, I like to do this on here. So the symmetrical triangle I was talking about here, it looks like it's breaking. Right here, a red line. So this is what it looked like previously. Oh, all right, let's delete this. 70, are you? Oh my goodness. This account would have been not passed, but oh, we just gotta make $1,000 on a day now. So we gotta find a way to do that. And I don't know, we might come back and get a huge pullback. I just sat here with a 30-point drop without me, and I'm scared to get back in the market. A lot of time we talk ourselves out of money. This is exactly what I did. 4,500. I should have made 4,500 and call it a day. Get out of the market, square and fair amount. But hey, now I just gotta go in here and make another 900 or 45. But I'm scared now that the market is gonna, you know, kind of pull back, and I'm gonna get caught in that mist. I don't want to do that. So we are going to do this instead. Just gonna chill, do some work. 63, are you kidding me? With you see, this is where I should have waited. If my account was still live, it would have been easy to just run that bad boy up, like literally run it up today. Out of all day, what's the best time to hit it up to 50K, go all in full port, 5, 10, 15 contract, and just let it fall. Let it fall. Why is my stuff? I'm actually paying about $80, $90 a month for this stream, for this app I'm using. So I better not have any glitches on it. Let me see here. I don't know why these guys are not letting me do my stuff on here, but this is pissing me off. I need to get an act together right now. I already worked out today, so I'm good. Yeah, bro. Yep, that's sure I believe. For sure, man, for sure. But so yeah, this is the let me show you. Oh no, let me do it. Let me actually do it on here. Let me go back to Streamlab here. So Norco, this is what I was talking about, bro. Let me take profit trader. So now they have 50% off, right? And if you go, no, 40% off, sorry. So say for example, you purchase that 150K account, you'll be paying right around. So that's minus 40%. So right around maybe $216. That's what you'll be paying. And once you get a payout, yeah. All right, so I'm logged in. Last time I traded them, it was a long time ago. Why does my computer keep doing this shit? So if we go on here, I'm gonna go to my wallet. And, okay, withdraw request. So I barely, these guys, I should have happy. You know what? Now I'm thinking about it. I haven't really focused on these guys. This Nuoco, this is what I was talking about. This is the company I was talking about. I said they are like ATM machine on steroid. But these guys, if you can do well by them, you can literally withdraw a lot of money all day, every day. Last year when I traded with them, 521, I requested $1,700. It was more than that, but when they took that share, I got $1,776. And then the next day, or basically the same day also, I requested, it was one account I was trading. Imagine if you have five of those accounts, you can do a lot of damage. Well, not damage technically, but you can fill your pocket with some money. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to start trading them again. And the market keeps dumping while I talk without me. What are you? Oh my goodness. Last hour, 51 minutes, the market just been dumping. Take profit was right here. Entry was right up here. Take profit was right here. We'll call it a day. But nope. Persuaded myself out of profits. And I was like, nope. Now, so yeah, but 5 accounts, so 216. 216 times 5, that's about what, 1080? Just about, yep. 1080, $1,080. If you can invest that into that, you don't, again, you don't spend all that money. Anybody don't spend all that money on there. But what I'm trying to say is that you can even buy one account. Like for example, what I did, I purchased one account with Top Step, got payout from them, and then reinvested some of the money. And that's how I got the other 17 accounts, right? So then it just rinse and repeat type stuff, right? It's purchase these other accounts. If I can get even some of these accounts, if I can get 5 of it to pay out, that's about 10 grand. Take some of you got your money out, take some of that money and reinvest it. I'll show you the Discord here, guys. I'll show you today. What I'm talking about is real. Like people are actually making a killing in these platform space. So this is the Discord. These are some of the Discord I'm part of. For example, let's go here. Okay, these are the P&L and stuff. This is what people are making kind of today. Let's go. I want to see a payout. So we'll go to some of the company themselves. Discord. This is Traderify. It's the other one I was telling you about that has the scripted funding. Thank you guys. I appreciate you for hanging out. So this is how much other people are getting paid. Naha or Niha got paid $10,000. You see the date on here? It's on February 4th. That's today. That's today, not, posted that. And these are payout fee, right? This is directly from the company themselves. I've gotten payout from these guys before, so they are not fake. See all these guys getting paid $500, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000. And the list just goes on. $3,000 and the list goes on. And these guys, they allow you up to, with them, you don't have to go through the evaluation phase like these guys, right? These guys, you got to go through the evaluation phase and you got to pass it, you got to prove to them, and all that stuff. But with Traderify, which you see my code on there, you can use it if you're interested. It's expensive, but it's great to fund it, right? So whatever money you make from the jump, quote unquote, is real money, even though it's not live money. It's simulated demo money. But whatever you request, once you reach the criteria, the requirement, you get paid out directly to the account. So I mean, it's a decent amount of money to be made in the market. And I've been well, it's probably about time to leave now anyway. And I'm just having a epiphany now that, hey, I should have been missing out on a lot of money. I think we're going to buy here, guys. Buying 2 contracts. We'll see the market pushing up. If we can make some money here, we're going to go to this high. This is 1,200. If this market can get us up to this high, will be good. Because what the behavior I'm seeing in the market here has been a breakout retest, breakout retest, breakout retest. So if we can get us to this high, we possibly will be getting out of this trade. So we just took one more trade. Oh, now it's going against us. Come on, you were doing really well. You just went in our favor. Now you want to go against us? No weapon formed against us shall prosper. So stop playing with me. Go in my favor. Come on. Get it up there. You can do it. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't need all that money. I only need $900. Do I? Yeah. $900. That's all I need. That's not too much to ask you, market. $900, and then now you taking $300 from me? No, bro, that's not part of the deal. Keep going up there. So we are down on this market by $300. We just got in the market. All right, after this trade, I'm gonna call it. If we make money, we make money. If not, we are gonna call it a day. And I'm just gonna try to figure out that stuff. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go wash my car. I gotta go pick up my kids and my wife later. I gotta make few phone calls and stuff because I got some shit. Come on, hit it. Hit it up there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Hit it. Hit it. I'm not getting out until you get it. Hit it. Don't play with me. I'm getting out. Don't play with me. So just like that, we're able to make, no. Fucking 500. And I talked myself out of the trade again. Are you freaking kidding me? TP was going to get hit, and I was get $4,500, and then we should be out. And I talked myself out of the trade again. Don't be like me, guys. Don't be like me. All I was looking for now, look at that. Oh, come on, trade. Come on. That was twice today I've done that. Twice. Where I set my bracket trade, I have my entry, I have my stop loss, and I have my target. And the market is going so well. But somehow, I took my brain out of getting out of money. Hey, we can't do nothing. We just gotta wait here. We see the market is pushing back. What if this market? What if? Because we analyzed this market earlier, and what we find out, guys, is that I'm actually enjoying this stream today. Nah, man. Come on, man. Come on. What we find out was that I'm gonna go on here. We have 3 previous bounces on this chart. the 4 hour time frame, we see right here, we saw. So what? Let me explain this in a very layman term, right? Here's what happens in the market. From what I've learned over the years and learning from people who are actually in the pit, like been day trading for 30 years, right? What happens, why you see all this happening is because when big companies are about to place an order, because they have so much money, they cannot fill all of their orders at the same time. So what happens is that the place that trades, say they want to buy 1,000 contracts or share, for example, with stocks, they place that right here. Like for example, right here, so the market came up there and there was only 100,000 shares available. That will get filled. The market will get pushed back up, and then people will buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Now these big banks, they got money. They don't need money. They don't need money. Is it bro? See money? Yes, sir. We all 4K on a day. Again, we just gotta be reminded. This is not in my other account. This is actually my evaluation phase, but eventually we're gonna turn this into real money. I appreciate you for hanging out, bro. So what happened? Okay, so like I was saying, right? What happens is that the market, I mean the big banks, they aren't able to purchase all of that 1 million share in a single trade. So in this kind of case where you see here, the market will go up. Let me open this all the way. So they will get filled here. Order is placed there first. Order is say 100,000 shares got filled. Market went up there and there was not enough buyers. So the market fell right back to that scene. Remember, they still got 900,000 shares to fill. So it's sitting there. It's sitting there. As soon as it bounces there, boom, it bounces right back up again. It got filled with 300,000 out of a million. They got 400,000 orders out filled, right? The market came, you saw it came close, and then some big buyer jump in there, push it back up. And what happens? As soon as the market jumped down here, boom, it shot up hard this time. They probably got filled. We got 600,000 left, right? So they got filled 500,000 orders, right? And sometimes, hey, it doesn't mean that they're going to keep doing this over and over, because guess what? They know that retail traders and other traders find a footprint to follow them. So it's like, okay, these people probably, know where we're sitting now, and then boom, they get out, they go find somewhere else to do that purchases or that sales and stuff, right? So now that the market is getting back into this zone right here, guess what we expect? Expect a possible reversal. But the only thing here is that it has changed, because now we knew that this right here, I mean, it's still kind of in that zone. I should be honest. But if this candlestick was going to open, fall below this and close below this right here, then we'll have a doubt that, hey, this market might not be going in our favor, right? But other than that, we know that there's some big money sitting here, because we see the bounces. And this is how this one, you can have all the trend lines, you can have, your best indicators and all that stuff. Nothing beats supply and demand, right? I always put it this way. It's like if you grew up on a farm, or you grew up in a small town or a village or something, where I'm from, when the rice is ready on the farm, when the women are cutting, so the owner of the farm will pay people, and other people who ain't got money to buy rice and other stuff, they will go behind those people, and whatever that fell off of the bunch of rice they had in their hand, they just pick them up. So those people, whatever they pick up, that's what they get to keep for the day, right? So the exact same thing is with us as retail trader. We are looking for the footprint of these big banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, or all these other big guys. We are looking for that footprint and trying to just, be either right before them or just be right behind them. We can't make decisions in the market, but we have to make sure to identify what the decisions are being made, and we can profit from them. Lose money or profit, that part comes down to individual differences in how much you make and stuff. So you say, bro, see money. Yeah, so but anyway, that's just my little boring explanation of what I think about the market. Who really cares? You make money, you scalp, you get out. Came in the market today, even though we were broken, that we lost $6,000 of, I call it real money, because we're going to request that money on Friday, and we're probably going to get in our bank account by Sunday or Monday, and that's what it is. But we lost that money, and now we are cool. Bought another account. Account is on the way. Great progress. We just got to keep pushing, and we got to keep making the right decisions and make money. But I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out today. Uh, Real quick, I appreciate you for hanging out too. Also, man, you hung out here. I appreciate you for also commenting and everything. But we are going to be trying to do this and stay consistent with this every day around 9 o'clock, as long as I'm not working. We're going to keep doing this one way or the other. When I work in the morning, I'm going to do a video at night. If I work at night, I'm going to do a video in the morning, right? Another important thing is that if you are day trading, I did this probably 3 or 4 times, where I know I was making a lot of money from day trading. I saw the potential, and then I quit my job. And then a month or 2 later, I had to go find me another job because I tilted and lost a lot of money, right? So this time around, I'm like, nope. I'm not going to do that again, but I'm just going to stay here and try to make money in the market. Can we actually get into one more trade? Maybe this time around, instead of going in 2 contracts, I'm gonna go in 1 contract. But yeah, so let me see. Maybe we can get a really short pump. But yeah, so make money, get out. Just call it a day. But I appreciate you guys for hanging out. I'm going to call this in 1 minute. I'm going to call it a day in 1 minute. I got some stuff I got to do. The time is 11:05. So I got to go. And I got to figure out some stuff with my life here. Okay, peace out. I'll see you guys, and God bless you. All right. See you guys.